Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of our video in the series Data Structure for QA Automation. Okay, I guess we saw about arrays, linked list, queue, and stack. This is going to be next data structure that is set. Okay, set is a interface which is used right very repeatedly in the automation world. Okay, so set is a data structure that is used to store unique elements without any particular order. Why we go for a set is right, we want to store elements in a unique way and without any order, right? We can insert in any order, we can go for this set. Okay, right. And another one thing is right, sets are useful when we want to make sure there is no duplicate elements in the insertion. If you want to insert without any duplicate elements, we can go for set. Okay, and we want to remove that particular element without any order, we can go for set. Okay, these are the three ways, right? We can go for a set. Okay, we want to without any order, no duplicate elements, and right, and we want to remove from any particular place, right? We want to remove it, we can go, and it should be unique also, right? And without any order. In all these scenarios, we'll go for set. Okay, so let's scroll down. Okay, and the use of certain automation is right, suppose right, I want each test cases it should be executed only once in a shoot. There is some shoot which has some 100 test cases, but I want that test case should run only once, it should not run in a duplicate way. In that case I can go for set. Okay, and I want to keep right the elements where there are some lot of web elements in a page, all right, and I want to make sure that only the unique elements is being tested, right? I can store right with the help of that set, and it is used to capture the unique error message during our test run. Okay, and if I want to give data, right, in a unique data, if you want to keep and manage the data in unique data, right, and and if I want to not process multiple times, that data should not run multiple times, make sure that the data is not running multiple times, I go for set. Okay, and if I want to run a particular process in a unique way, it should not be repeated again, I go off and go for a set. Okay, so in all these cases we go for set. Okay, it should be unique, should not be duplicate, right, and should be in an any order, we can go for set. Okay, let's go to the eclipse and start write a simple code. Okay, before that let's understand what I'm going to do. This is a very very common one, right? Which we do, right? All people know actually. So mintra, I'm taking mintra site. Okay, I'm going to this particular site, clicking this site. Okay, then I can give shirt, I can search shirt here. Okay, in the Mintra site, and I click, if I click right, a new window is going to open. Okay, if I want to handle from switching over from one window to another window, we can use this set right interface. So okay, so the set data structure can be used right to handle the one window to an multiple window. Here it's a two window, if there are some more than 2 3 windows, we can go for an index based right set, so that it can capture, like suppose I want to move from first window to third window or first window to fourth window, I can also use with the help of set. I can go for set. Okay, now let's go to the code. Let me create a new class. Let's create a main method. Let's create a web driver, driver new Chrome driver. This is for launching the browser. Then I use the driver.get method to pass the URL. These are all basics of Selenium, guys. So I'll go there, copy the mantra.com, and I'll paste it. So now the mantra.com will open the Chrome browser and launch the mantra.com site. Then I'll go driver.manage window maximize. This line is for maximizing the browser during the execution. Okay, during the execution for maximizing the browser. Okay, now I'll give driver.find element by.xpath to locate the search bar. Okay, driver is an object, find element is a method to locate, right? And we use by interface and .xpath locator to locate the particular element. These are all very basics when you Selenium. Please learn the basics. And I'll use an xpath here. I'll take an attribute based xpath. Okay, I'll take an xpath, then I'll paste it, then I'll click the and give send keys and give t-shirt. So I need to send t-shirt in the send keys in the right Mintra application. Okay, so these are all basics of the Selenium, right? Driver dot find element by dot locator, right? I'll take an xpath, relative based xpath, then I'll take an attribute name with placeholder and the value, and I'll use send keys method to pass the value. Okay, now I'll go and click the search button. For that, I'm taking an XPath now. First, I'm entering the product and clicking the search button. Okay, I'll take an XPath for this one. Okay, I'm just going to click that particular shirt. For that, I'll take a next path. If I click only, then only a new tab will open. Okay, so I need to, after searching, I should take a first result from shirt, and I would just inspect it, and I'll click it, so that's going to the new tab, opening a new tab. I'll again take the X path of that particular shirt, black color shirt, H&M. Driver dot find element. Now it's opening the new tab. After clicking that, I want to get the select size, right? I want to display it. Go to the new tab, handle with the help of the set, right? Data structure. Then I need to get the select size. Okay. So now we need to switch from t-shirts window to the next window. Okay. For that, I need to use the size here. First, I need to take an XPath of select size to print the select size. Okay, I'll go here and I'll give the XPath, then I'll give dot get text. Okay, get text method is used to retrieve that particular text and print it. So I'll storing it in a reference text, it returns a string. Then I'll give sysout text, it's going to print that string. Okay, but normally it won't do. Now we have to switch windows here. For that Selenium code we should write. Okay, driver dot get window handle. Okay, so this is going to get the parent window, the first window, the initial window, it's going to get retrieved. Next, I want to get the child window. For that, I need to give driver dot window handles. Okay. For getting the first window, there is a method called as get window handle. It will get the first window. I'll keep the window ID. Okay. After that, if I give driver dot get window handles, it get the child window and keep the ID in the child window. Okay, by using set, what happens, I am iterating from the first window to the second window. Okay, so this is what I am doing now. Okay, now the child window will be moved to a string, and then I'll give driver dot switch to window. I'll use driver dot switch to window method. It will move to string. Okay, so it will first move from parent window to child window, then it will go to the for each loop, then it will go from the child window, from the parent window it will move to the switch to method, it will move to the child window. This all happens with the window ID. Okay, now let's run the code. It search t-shirt, it went click the, it should click the first H&M. Now it clicked, it went to the new window, right? It due to with the help of switch to windows it went. Then in the code, right, if I go to the Eclipse, I'll go to the console. See, select size display. So it switched from one window to another window and got the select size text, and it's printed it. Okay, so this is where the stack is used. We can handle multiple windows also. Okay, the 3 4 windows is there, moving from first window to third window, first window to fourth window with the help of an index base. Should get the index of the window, then we can switch the window with the help of the set data structure also. So set is used in automation. This is one way where we can use set. Okay, when we can go for a set is, right, if you don't want duplicates. Okay, window, one window, two window, three window, four window, it won't have duplicate, and it won't have, if you want to switch in, no, not in a particular order, like from one window to third window, one window, fourth window, we can go for set. It won't come in an order also. Okay, hope this video is useful. Please continue to watch us. You all have a great day. Bye, meet you soon.